Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Apple has officially introduced the 11th generation iPad, and this might just be their smartest budget-friendly move yet. With a competitive price tag of $349, upgraded storage, improved performance, and a refined user experience, this tablet is positioned as one of the best entry-level options on the market. But is it truly a game changer? Who exactly is this iPad for? And should you upgrade if you own an older model? Let's break it all down in this in-depth review. Pricing strategy. Apple finally listens. One of the biggest gripes with Apple's iPad lineup in recent years has been the pricing. The 10th generation iPad launched at $400, which felt like an unnecessary increase over the beloved 9th gen model priced at $329. Apple seems to have acknowledged this misstep, adjusting the cost of the new 11th gen iPad to a much more appealing $349. This move makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers and puts Apple in a strong position against mid-range Android tablets. Unlike many budget-friendly Android alternatives that compromise on performance, software updates, and ecosystem integration, Apple's new entry-level iPad retains the company's premium experience while staying affordable. Unboxing experience. Keeping it simple. If you've ever unboxed an iPad before, this will feel familiar. Apple maintains its minimalist approach with the following items inside the box. The iPad itself. A 20W USB-C power adapter. A braided USB-C charging cable. Standard documentation. While Apple didn't redesign the packaging significantly, the decision to exclude Apple stickers may disappoint collectors. That said, the contents focus on essentials, which is what matters most. Design. Familiar yet functional. At first glance, the 11th gen iPad is nearly identical to its predecessor. Featuring the same aluminum body, flat edges, and a 10.9-inch liquid retina display, this device continues Apple's trend of premium yet minimalist design. Those hoping for slimmer bezels or a more significant refresh may be disappointed, but Apple has chosen to stick with a design that works. The color selection remains largely unchanged, with the blue model offering a sleek look and the pink variant adding a bit of personality. Performance. A subtle yet meaningful upgrade. Apple isn't always vocal about performance enhancements in its budget iPads, but this year's model does come with a notable boost. The inclusion of the A16 Bionic chip ensures smoother multitasking, enhanced gaming performance, and better efficiency. Additionally, Apple has bumped the RAM from 4GB to 6GB, which significantly improves app retention and system fluidity. While it's not an M-series processor, the A16 Bionic remains a capable chipset for everyday tasks, casual gaming, and even light productivity work. Storage. A long-awaited improvement. One of the most significant upgrades comes in the form of storage. Apple has finally ditched the outdated 64GB base model, offering a more practical 128GB starting capacity. This change means more room for apps, photos, and videos. Less dependence on cloud storage. Better longevity and future-proofing. For students, media consumers, and casual users, 128GB is the perfect balance between affordability and usability. Software and AI features. What's missing? Apple's recent push into AI-driven features, branded as Apple Intelligence, has been a hot topic. However, the 11th gen iPad does not support these features due to hardware limitations. While some might see this as a drawback, the truth is that many of these AI-driven tools, such as text summarization and smart replies, are still in their infancy. The real selling point here is that you're getting a rock-solid version of iPadOS that runs smoothly without any unnecessary gimmicks. Gaming performance. Solid for casual players. Gamers will be pleasantly surprised by the 11th gen iPad's capabilities. The A16 Bionic chip allows smooth gameplay for titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile, though more demanding games may require reduced settings. While the iPad Air with its M2 chip is the better choice for power users, this model holds its own in the gaming space, delivering 45 to 60 FPS in most titles. Display. 60Hz but still impressive. The 10.9-inch Retina display remains sharp, vibrant, and ideal for streaming, reading, and productivity. However, it lacks a 120Hz promotion refresh rate, which might disappoint some power users. Still, for the average user, the visuals remain crisp and immersive. Battery life. Apple's consistency shines. Apple claims up to 10 hours of battery life, and real-world testing confirms this. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or working, the iPad easily lasts through a full day. Of course, more intensive tasks like gaming or video editing will drain the battery faster. But overall, this device remains one of the most power-efficient in its class. Who should buy the 11th Gen iPad? This iPad is an excellent choice for students. Great for note-taking, research, and media consumption. Casual users. Perfect for browsing, video calls, and entertainment. Parents and kids. Durable, affordable, and easy to use. Budget-conscious buyers. The best Apple experience at an entry-level price. However, if you require promotion, Apple Pencil hover support, or high-end gaming performance, the iPad Air or Pro models might be better suited for your needs. Final verdict. The best budget iPad yet. Apple has struck an excellent balance between price, performance, and usability with the 11th Gen iPad. While it may not be a revolutionary leap, the increased storage, RAM boost, and fairer pricing make this the most compelling entry-level iPad yet. If you're using an older model and want an upgrade without breaking the bank, this is an easy recommendation. While it has its limitations, it gets so many things right that it's hard to find serious faults. Do you agree with this review? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.